So I'm gonna do a video here. I checked a little bit ago and Cooper was actually luring right under the waterfall, which I've never seen before. So I'm gonna see if he's doing it again in the dark here. He is. So he's right there. He's sitting there luring right at the bottom of the waterfall. So I actually am gonna give him, if I can do this. Let's see. Give him the shrimp. Accidentally dropped it. I don't know if you can get it down there. So, let's see here. Let's see if I can get it for him. Oh, he might have got it. Whoa. Oh yeah, he's got it. Going into that little cave, but that thing is tiny. It barely fits him in there now. He can't even really fit in there. He's trying to go in there. Now, let's see where Yoshi is. Way in there. I wonder if he'll come out and grab that. There's Cooper way over there in that log. And I'm betting Yoshi's in here. We'll see. The pond is super, super clear. Let's see.
They make the pond into money.
So Yoshi's somewhere in there, but he's not coming out right now.
From the farm that has bees.
Yeah.
And they like take the honey out of the hive with a special gear to do that. Well, let's get stung, right?
Yeah, you're right.
By bumblebees. Then you'll have to like.
Flashlight almost dropped in. Yeah. So this water is just absolutely crystal clear.
To get the honey from the hive. So that's how people get the honey.
Fish keep messing around with shrimp.
That's how people get honey.
Yeah.
Here doesn't make it. Some people doesn't make it.
Yeah, well, everyone has to make it. Look at those.
Some people.
Look at those fish messing with my shrimp. Yep. That's the main culprit right there, that big pumpkin seed right there. Well, there's the pumpkin seed right there, actually. I was wondering where he was. He's in the cave. He's the alpha of the pond as far as the fish are concerned. He's right there. There he is. He's just kind of hanging out there for now. Give me my shrimp back. Get out of there. Get out of there.
What is it? A fish trying to get it?
Yep.
It's so funny.
Yeah.
I'm above you, Daddy.
Yeah.
After this bird. Did you know there's two bunnies on the waterfall and they were eating up the plant?
Yeah.
And then they had to chew them out.
Well, I don't think Yoshi's coming out. So I'm not letting the fish have this granddaddy shrimp here. I'm gonna go see if Koopa wants it. Sweetie, do you think Koopa wants the shrimp? Here, let's go over and see. Here, why don't you you can help. Hold on. Well, I'm trying to figure out how to hold all of this at once. Here, grab this. Let's see.
Flashlight?
Yeah, hold that for me. Thank you, sweetie. Okay, let's go to this side. Let's go to this side, over here. Right this way. All right, shine it over here. Let's see. Oh yeah, see? The big Koopa's up again, see him? And just shine it right up over here, okay? Let's see if he'll come over. Shine it over my shoulder, there. I can't stretch that far, big guy. There. Shine it over my shoulder. Shine it over my shoulder. There. See him? There he goes. All right. We're done. That's it for tonight. Oh, you want to go look at toads? All right. Let's go look at toads.